Now let us practice writing more JavaScript code using console.log function on Google Chrome console for number data types. In addition to the text, we can also do mathematical calculations using JavaScript. Let us now do some simple calculations. The console can directly take arguments without the console log function. For example, I can directly say 1 plus 2 and press enter. As you can see, the 3, that's the output, right? It works. However, we are going to be using console.log function most of the time throughout this course. So let's practice more with this function. Now let's perform addition. Console.log. Here I will say 2 plus 4. When I hit enter, you get 6. Now let's also perform subtraction using console log. As you can see, it works. Now let's do multiplications by saying console.log. Now let's go for division. Okay, that works. Now let's do modulus, that is finding remainder. Let's say console.log 3 mod 2. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, instead of using this console to write JavaScript, we will work on installing a code editor. So I will see you in the next one.